All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we got a brilliant one product store idea, something I've never seen before that you guys are going to love because not only is it a great idea, but it's also printing money. It's estimated to be doing $600,000 per month. Just a simple product. So we're not going to waste any time. Let's get right in. Boom. Let me make this a little bit bigger so it looks a little better on the screen. Yeah, so this is it. As you can see, it's called a tofu press. Now, what a tofu press is basically a thing that helps you press tofu easy. So this is a brand called tofubud.com. And if you don't know, tofu is a massive trend as people try to, go vegan or vegetarian. They don't want to eat meat, but they still need protein in their diets. And this is where Tofu Bud comes in with their tofu press. Now, as you see, it's extremely well done. It's a really, really nice store. But what's really interesting about it, outside of, just it being a really great landing page, is that they actually push you to go to Amazon. Funny enough, this is something that only a select few brands do. The other brand that I've seen do this is Liquid Death, another massive, basically almost billion-dollar brand at this point. Now, this is not even close to that level of brand, but nevertheless, they're still crushing it. As you see, they have 3,500 ratings. They're selling a lot of these. And what you see here is their bundles. So this is actually a very good lesson. And to be honest, I'm not really sure how well these guys are doing. I'm estimating this based on store leads data, which is not really entirely accurate, but it's the best we got for now. And as you see, this is really, really brilliant. They're setting up their Amazon so that you get a set of 2 here or a tofu press with a fermentation crock as well. This is like a bundle that they have, that they offer. This is really smart, right? Because it's much better to get a customer spending more money from their first purchase than just, $26, especially if you're going to be running ads, which actually they don't run ads, I will say, but they should, as they're doing quite well. But I understand why they don't, since they're sending people to Amazon, which again, in my opinion, is not really the best move to do. I think it's a genius idea to be on Amazon. Don't get me wrong there. But I think if you're going to be driving traffic to Shopify, you want people to convert on Shopify. You don't want people to then go on Amazon and, just completely disrupt the buying journey. And not just that, but Amazon also has a lot of fees. So why wouldn't you want people to shop on Shopify? Especially when you actually can collect their email and retarget them, get their data, and use it in order to grow your business and find more customers like that initial customer. Now, I love what they've done here, how they mentioned some influencers that have promoted the product. I think that's really, really smart. I don't like the use of gifts necessarily here because I actually learned that gifts are too heavy for your store. Like, they're too big, actually. So here's a bad review, guys. Bad review alert. They're asking me to review this item when I ordered it 10 days ago, and it hasn't arrived. It was a wedding gift for friends, and it's not arriving in time. So, wow, it's likely that they may actually be dropshipping this product. This is from 2022, though. But still, if you're dropshipping from China, you can actually build a really, really good brand, but it will be a little bit slow for people that order on your store. And that's where I think it's really smart to have Amazon set up, right? If you have Amazon set up, you can order stock to Amazon, fulfill orders super fast through there, and then fulfill orders normally on your Shopify store with an agent or a 3PL, a third-party logistics company that can fulfill orders faster. That's another great idea. So yeah, that's a really cool store here that I found that I thought was really interesting, is well designed. And I'm not sure if they have a patent on this or not, but let's go to Alibaba. We do this often in videos these days, just to see if we can find a tofu press. What does that even look like, right? Okay, so there's some interesting tofu presses here, actually. So, most of these are not what we're looking for, but this is more or less what we're looking for, or even this. Wow, guys. So these are actually really cool. This one looks like a very, very good product. I don't know exactly if it is, but it seems like it is, to be honest. It doesn't look too different from this in terms of functionality. Look at even this same feature here. this has that same thing in it. So if we actually click it, they have a very similar image here. After 10 to 30 minutes, this is very compressed. Wow, that's super cool. So, you could easily find a product that does the same thing basically and utilize some of the branding, some of the pain points here that they're utilizing in order to promote it. But you can do so many things that are better, right? So these guys are definitely dropping the ball by not having meta ads running. They're dropping the ball by not collecting Shopify purchases on Shopify. And they're also dropping the ball here by not posting more reels. They are posting some, but not going very hard at it at all. And really, I think the most powerful combination right now is short form content and paid media, right? So Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and organic TikTok, organic Instagram, organic Facebook, organic YouTube. That combination is extremely powerful. We're seeing it take brands to $1 million per month, and it's pretty unbelievable. So, don't neglect that. And what I really love most about the organic traffic these days is that it's free. If you order your product, you can post about it literally for free, guys. So do not neglect that, especially if you have a product that you want to sell, or maybe you have a digital product you want to sell, or maybe you don't want to sell anything at all, but you still want to make videos. You can make money doing that as well, right? A lot of brands like this one will have, for example, affiliate programs. This one doesn't, which again, they're dropping the ball, right? Why wouldn't you want to have an affiliate program where people can promote your brand and earn money doing so? It's a really awesome way to grow your business. Amazon does it. Every big brand does it because it's smart. And TikTok, this is the biggest thing about TikTok these days, is that because of their affiliate program and TikTok Shop, so many creators are starting to promote brands that they love. And, if you get a creator that gets 1 million views with a TikTok Shop tagged product, that could convert extremely well. That could make $10,000 in sales for your store that day. Wow, there's a baby out there freaking out really hard. So I'll probably have to go here. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. I'm on vacation right now, but I'll see you guys soon. Peace.